The Read 180 dashboard provides some great information about the topics you've completed in the software, as well as the books that you have finished reading. Let's start with the My Topics tab. On this page, you'll see all of the topics that are available in the Read 180 software. If an image is colorized, it means you have completed that topic. If it's highlighted or has a yellow border, it means you're currently working in that topic. If you want some more information about how you performed in a topic, you simply click on it, and you'll see the title of the topic, the date you started, the date you completed, how many sessions did it take you to complete that topic, the average time in each session, and your average score in the comprehension of vocabulary questions. This is a great example of what you'd like your data to look like. 100% in the comprehension of vocabulary questions is fantastic. We're looking for more than 15 minutes working each session, so that's great. So a good example for you to refer to. If you want information about books you've read, you simply click on the My Reads tab. On the My Reads tab, you will see all the books in the Read 180 library. Again, like the My Topics, each book that you've completed is colorized. At a glance, you can see your scores on the Reading Counts quizzes and how you personally rated that book. If you want more information, you click on the cover. You'll see the total complete title, the author, the day you passed the quiz, your score on the quiz, the lexile of that book, how many words were that book, and again, how did you rate that book in regards to how much you liked it. If you want information on your e-reads, simply click on View My e-reads. These are articles or stories you've read on the computer. Again, if it's colorized, you finished it, and here's your score on the Reading Counts quiz. So on these two tabs, you've got some great information. Take some time exploring these two tabs and consider how you can use what's here to set some goals for yourself. And as always, keep reading and succeeding.